Welcome back. It's time for Mad Science Monday here on Living Oklahoma. Groundhog Day is less than 24 hours away, and our favorite mad scientists are celebrating with a fun experiment. I hope it springs soon. Let's check it out.
And here's the dogs of science from Living Oklahoma.
Woof woof.
Woof woof. We are the dogs of science. Now, here you go.
Do you know what day is coming up?
Groundhog Day.
Yes.
That's right.
Don't have Groundhog.
I love that movie.
Oh yeah. Actually, I was in a play that was somewhat like the movie.
Oh yeah.
Pretty much, Helen gets a wish.
Uh-huh.
She wishes for her day to repeat because it was her best day.
Uh-huh.
And so that day repeats over and over again. It's about how they try to save her. And that's what they do.
Save her from herself, just like on Groundhog Day, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Well, here you go. Groundhog Day, the story of the movie and the story of your play is about something that happens over and over and over again. So it starts with one and then it multiplies, okay? So we're gonna do something like that you can do at home, okay? And it's very, very simple. But first, I wanna tell you, we're tricking our eyes. So I gave you a little toy, and I like to call it a kaleidoscope. Okay, if you can get one of these, it is so cool. Okay, now this is what I want you to do. I want you to look through the end, okay, and twist the other end around and tell me what you see. What do you see?
It's changing.
It's changing. What's changing?
The little pegs?
Yeah, it's got little pieces inside, but it's got mirrors, so as it changes, it still stays the same.
Wait.
And that's the way Groundhog Day works. Yeah, you got your hand in front. You need light to be able to get in.
No,
Okay.
I just didn't realize that it stays the... What?
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Okay, now here's the thing. Okay, let me have that back. We can put this over here.
All right.
Now here's the cool thing. I'm gonna give you this. I'm gonna take this. We're gonna set it right here. Yeah. How many do you see
How many halves?
in front of you?
One.
One. Okay, okay. I'm gonna give you a mirror. Okay. Now this is a mirror. Open it up like this. Set it right there. How many do you see?
Two.
Two. It gets better. Now watch this. I'm going to open it up this way and set it right there. How many do you see?
Three.
Okay, now push the sides together.
Five.
Five. It just keeps getting more. If you can do it again. I don't know if you can do it again. Now,
Six.
there's so many. Okay, now here's the thing. This is just the light bouncing off, and it's repeating and repeating and repeating, and it's not really making more. There's still one there. It's just the way we perceive things or the way we see it. It reminds me of Groundhog Day because at first that's pretty cool, but then it gets more and more and more, and it gets almost scary, doesn't it? Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, this is fun.
Yeah, so that's our activity for Groundhog Day. All you need to do is get two little pieces of a mirror, and we taped them together, and then you can move it in and out, and then you can see the different multiples of times that light, that picture bounces around on the mirror, and you can make your very own Groundhog Day, or Helen's Most Wonderful Day, right?
Yes, I'm gonna be honest.
Uh-huh.
For a second, I thought you just had three of them there.
No, just one. Okay, so that's what we have for you from the Dogs of Science.
Full?
Right here on Living Oklahoma. You want to see more? Go to our Facebook page, Dogs of Science on Facebook, or check us out on, Dogs of Science on YouTube. Go to our YouTube page, or check us out on Facebook at Mad Science OKC. Can't wait to see you there, right here in the Mad Science Lab.
We'll be back on Friday for a Mad Science finale around 10:45. Be sure and set your DVR because you don't want to miss out on all the fun. You can try these great experiments at home with your family.